Hi, in this video we'll be looking into downloading and installing Matlab trial version. So let's get started. Obviously, the first step is to open your browser of choice. I'm using Google Chrome here. Let's look up Matlab. Click on the first link as it's the official Matlab website. Click on the download a free trial button. Now enter your email ID and click on continue. I do not have a MathWorks account associated with this email ID, so I need to create one. However, if you do have a MathWorks account, it will automatically ask you to sign in. You do not have to go through this process. So let's fill in our details. If you read the instructions here, it's basically asking you to log into the registered email ID and verify it. So let me log in to my email ID, my registered email ID. So as you can see, there is an email from MathWorks which is asking me to verify my registered email ID. So I'm just going to click on that and click on verify your email. So it's asking me to fill in a bunch of other details. That's strong enough. Click on the accept online services agreement and click on create. We have successfully created a MathWorks account. So let's go back to downloading the trial software. Again, you just have to fill in a bunch of details. For example, what describes your role? I'm going to select use the software. Company, again, fill in whatever is appropriate for you. Select your state, phone. Your phone and mobile can be the same, just ensure that you do include the country code. Areas of interest, you can select anything. I am going to select image processing and computer vision, which best describes my industry, obviously software, and click on agree. Submit. Okay, don't stress too much about this. You just have to select one of these add-ons for the basic MATLAB. Randomly pick whatever you want. I'm just saying machine learning. Click on select and continue.
Perfect. At this point, we just need to select the installer based on the type of OS that you're using. I'm going to select Windows because I'm using Windows. As you can see, the download process has started. Once the exe has finished downloading, click on it and this will automatically open this unzipper which will start unzipping the related files. All you have to do is wait till it's finished unzipping all files. Once all files are unzipped, if you're on Windows, then you get a notification saying, "Would you like MathWorks to make changes to your device?" Just click on yes. The installer now wants you to log into your MathWorks account, so make sure that you use the registered email. Click yes for the license agreement and click on next. So this is the license number associated with your account. It will automatically select it. The numbers need not match. So click on next. This is the destination folder for the MATLAB. For some reason, if you're unhappy with it and would like to change it, click on browse and you can select any place in your computer. I'm happy with it, so I'm just going to click next. As you can see, the installer has already selected a few toolboxes to install. I strongly suggest if you're just downloading Matlab to try it out and are unaware with which toolbox that you specifically need, just install the basic Matlab and then add the toolboxes as you go on when you find it necessary. So click on select all and again click on select all. So this way you deselect all the toolboxes that were initially selected by the installer and just click on Matlab and click next. Yeah, you can go ahead and add a shortcut to your desktop if you want, or just unselect if you do not, and click on next. Everything looks good, so I'm gonna just click on begin install. And this is gonna take its sweet time. And if you had selected all the toolboxes, the installation takes longer. So that's why I strongly suggest if you do not know which toolbox to use, just install basic MATLAB and add on when you need. The installation is now complete, so click on close. And then if you search for MATLAB, the one that we installed is the 2028. So as you can see, it's available. Click on that.
And there you have it, your own MATLAB copy of the trial software. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And also, if you have any doubts, leave a comment and we'll try to get back to you. Alright, bye.